Well, Mata here. Thank you so much for coming out and watching this exciting video. So, I'm excited for several different reasons, and that is because I think I've just finally cracked like a real stress-free way to generate leads, to generate sales for your pay-per-call offers. If you have no idea what pay-per-call offers are, they're in short, I'm all about simplicity. There are businesses out there that need people like you to promote them. And what some of us local marketers do, agencies out there, when business gets a little slow sometimes, this is absolutely one of the easiest routes to go because you don't really have to do much at all. As a matter of fact, a simple commission could be as easy as someone calling a specific number and being on the phone for about 1 minute, and they'll pay you out like 14 bucks. And so this is I wanted to tap back on this because the last couple of weeks, if you've been wondering, gee, where have you been? I've been testing out a funnel that I believe is what I like to call something like the fountain of youth. I know that's a little bit over exaggerated, but in short, what I'm saying is that this funnel is capable of generating calls, generating leads, and generating appointments. And you don't really need to be all teched out. You know what I mean? Like, you don't need to have all the bells and whistles. You could delegate a lot of this stuff. In short, you could have someone else do this setup for you. Now, I'm going to talk about this and more inside of my contributors portal. I left down a link down below. It's literally $24.99 a month. It helps us here. It helps us keep this channel going, keep our content going, and keeping you equipped with all of the tools and resources so we keep them coming your way. So with that being said, let me give you a little bit about, how we go about choosing a network. And again, if you want to learn more, you definitely want to make sure to check the video out inside of our portal. I'm going to be releasing it tomorrow night around 7 p.m. Eastern time. I already gave my contributors a heads up, so they already are in on the update. Again, that link is down below in the description. So how exactly do you choose this pay-per-call offer? One of the first places that I recommend going to is a website called Offer Vault, okay? So Offer Vault is basically like one big directory with everything to do with affiliate-based offers. But for this particular video, we're going to stay on course. And when you head to this site, Offer Vault, go to pay-per-call offers. And right here, this is where the journey begins. You'll see a bunch of different offers from Spectrum, 60 seconds, IVR, pay-per-call cleaning services. They'll pay between $2 to $30. Business law, pay-per-call 24/7. So these I've had a lot of success with, and I'm going to talk about that within the contributors portal tomorrow. But these run 24 hours, and that's the secret right there. That's a little golden gem. 24 hours. You want offers that run all night, because these type of offers you can send calls to all day, every day, and they're gonna pay you 20 bucks. So I want to make it clear. They give you a number, you promote that number, and when you do that, again, when you get them on the line, according to, like, let's click on this one. I'll just, I'm going to park this video right here. If you want to learn more, again, all you got is $24 a month. They don't cost you anything. Tax deductible. Come on. Link is down below. So for this particular affiliate offer, it looks like this company here, 4 legal leads. So we're going to head and click that. They'll give you a preview on their landing page, yada, yada, yada. But really the important part is all down here, campaign restrictions. So they tell you what they allow and what they don't allow. Incentivized traffic, coverage, coupons, Craigslist, SMS, outbounds, call centers. So there's a lot of things that they don't allow, okay? So we want to be mindful of that over here, because we don't want to bend any of the rules. And we want to make sure that, we get them exactly what they're needing. So, so they'll give you here what their terms are. So they'll tell you here, payouts will depend on quality, area of practice, and location, with maximum payout up to and over $20 a call or lead. Targeting is 24/7, all of the United States. So that's another gem, 24/7 and in the United States. You want to make sure that it's 24/7 and in the United States. Because this basically means that when you set up your campaigns, whether it be through e-clicks, whether it be through digital billboard apps, TV app, any of our internal platforms that we currently use, you could run them 24/7. So keep that in mind. And if affiliate does not possess ping post acknowledged, zip code targeting can be provided to help maximize. So this affiliate network will give you the zip codes for you to target. So again, within our platforms, we allow you to basically target specific zip codes. You guys already know that if you've been attending the webinars and so on and so forth. So I'm going to park this video right here. Okay. I got a lot more to share with you. I got some stats to share with you as well that I think are gonna blow you off your seat. And if you've been following me throughout the years, you guys know that I don't play around with this stuff. This is everything to me. We've been doing this for 10 years strong, and I want to share this knowledge with you. That's why we create these videos. So again, if you want to discover more, the link is down below. Don't think about it. I'll see you inside of the contributors portal, and we'll speak there. Speak soon.